Is your water bill much higher than normal? Leaks in your house can cost you a lot of money. How do you find leaks? If you receive water from the city of Roswell, find your water meter in your front yard. It may be locked, but a city employee can help you unlock it. Just give the water department a call. Inside is the water meter that measures all water coming into your home. Turn off all indoor and outdoor water appliances. Do not turn on or activate any water during this test, including flushing toilets. Next, go to the water meter and check the flow rate. If the numbers on the meter change, then you have a small, continuous leak. So, you have a leak in your house. How do you find it? First, you need to determine whether the leak is on the utilities side or on the customer's side. Next to the water meter, turn off the water at the customer shutoff. If the meter stops, the leak is on the customer side and is the responsibility of the customer. If the meter does not stop, then it is a utility issue. Contact your water provider as soon as possible. If the leak is on your side, you can isolate different sections of your home to find the leak. Make sure you turn the customer shutoff back on and then turn off the water at the main supply valve into the house. Check the water meter. If the meter stops, then the leak is inside the building or at a hose spigot. If the meter continues to run, the leak is in the service line between the meter and the building. This is the responsibility of the property owner to fix. Inside, check toilets, hot water heaters, hose spigots, sink and shower fixtures, dishwashers, and washing machines. Check outside and look for a wet spot in the yard, such as around irrigation heads or an area of grass that is unusually green. Roswell water customers can use the AquaHawk online alert system to keep an eye out for leaks and watch their water consumption. If you feel you have a leak or want more information, please contact the Roswell Water Utility.